Greetings to the doctor. We are from Group 3B and also Group 13B. We are doing washing machine system using PLC and also CX programmer in this mini project. Introduction. In our project, the washing machine system is able to execute the processes of pumping water, washing and also spinning. Following to the next slide, this is our project flowchart for the washing machine system. First, we do have start button. Following that, we also do have the safety lock, whether it's on or off. And then we also have red light indicator, supply pump to supply the water, lower sensor and also upper sensor of the water level, and also heater, washer and drain pump. Following that, we also do have the spin cycle of the washing machine. At the end, we do have the end button. Next is the input devices and also output devices. We do have several input devices and also several output devices. Input devices such as start button, stop button, safety lock, lower sensor and also the upper sensor. Moving to the output devices, we have safety unlock, red light indicator, supply pump, washer and indicator, drain pump and also the spin. Other elements which were used in the ladder diagram is that heater timer, washer timer and also spin timer. Next, this is the ladder diagram of the washing machine system. We do have several inputs and also several outputs. We also do have timers, and on the 10th rung the process ends. And this is the mnemonics code of the ladder diagram. We do have steps, instruction, operand and also the comment. And this is the simulation video with full process using Omron. Let's have a look. So we can see that the simulation of the washing machine system works successfully in the Omron. Next, we are moving to the simulation video with verbal explanation. Let's have a look. As we can see, this is the ladder diagram of the washing machine. Now we are going to simulate this ladder diagram. Now the washing machine has started ready, and we can see that the door of the washing machine is unlocked. After we put all the dirty clothes in the washing machine, the door will be locked automatically and then the red light will turn on. At the same time, the supply pump will supply the water into the washing machine. The water will flow through the lower sensor to the upper sensor. Once the water reaches the upper sensor, the supply pump will turn off. Then the water will be heated up by the heater for 7 seconds. After that, the heater will turn off and then the washing machine will start to wash the clothes. Now we are going to see the process. We can see that the supply pump is turned off and then the heater is turned on. Now the heater is turned off, the wash is turned on. And now the wash is turned off and then the drain pump is turned on. The drain pump turned on to drain all the water from the washing machine. The water will drain from the upper sensor to the lower sensor. Once the water drains from the lower sensor, the drain pump will turn off and then the spin cycle of the washing machine will turn on. The spin cycle will extract the moisture from the clothes and the spin will run for 7 seconds. Now we can look at the process. So we can see that the drain pump is turned off and then the spin is turned on. So after the spin cycle is turned off, we can see that the process has ended ready and there is no connection to the outputs. And now we are going to see the simulation video with stop function using Omron. Let's have a look. So we can see that whenever the stop button is pushed, the output devices have no connection to the inputs. And now we are going to see the simulation video of the stop function, which is the screen recording of the CX programmer. So here we can see that whenever the stop button is pushed, the output devices has not connected with the inputs. And in conclusion, the washing machine ladder diagram is successfully realized using CX programmer since it follows the operation correctly. Therefore, we can apply the system in our real life. And thank you.